If you enjoy doing DIY, like jewelry making, arts and craft, or electrical work, then a soldering torch comes in handy. The Dremel 6-in-1 is a winner. It's cordless, using butane gas, so there's no batteries to charge. This particular model comes with 6 attachments. If you remove the catalyst, you can use it as an open flame torch. With the soldering tip, you can solder electrical connections or jewelry. The wide flame head is great for heating and stripping paint. The deflector is great for things like heat shrink tubing. The shaping knife and the cutting knife come in handy for projects with things like plastic or nylon ropes. And the hot air tip is perfect for directing heat to small areas. It has an adjustable flame and lock switch, and this clever child lock feature. Push your finger forward, then pull back. Filling up the gas is really easy, and it burns for ages. It's comfortable to use, and you can use it on the table. If that wasn't cool enough, they put it in this awesome steel box with all the accessories, including solder, wrenches, tip cleaning tin, and a neat tip cover. A great tool for any DIY hobbyist. This is just one of the Dremel tools available at Builders. For more, visit the Builders website or follow the YouTube channel.